Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your PayPal account link. First, understand that a PayPal Me link is a simple way for others to send you money with just one click. It's a personalized link that makes requesting and receiving payments incredibly easy, whether for splitting bills, collecting donations, or selling items. To begin, you'll need an active PayPal account. Log into your account through a web browser or the mobile application to access the PayPal Me setup page. Once logged in, navigate to the PayPal Me section. Here, you'll be prompted to create your unique link. Choose a name that is easy to remember and represents you or your business, like PayPal Me/yourname. Ensure it's professional and clear, as this will be your public payment address. After selecting your desired link, review the terms and conditions, then confirm your choice. This action activates your personalized link, making it ready for immediate use. With your PayPal Me link active, sharing it is straightforward. You can copy the link directly and paste it into emails, text messages, or social media posts. For instance, share it on Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp. If you need to request a specific amount, simply add the amount to the end of your link, like PayPal Me/yourname/25. This allows recipients to pay you the exact sum you've requested quickly and securely, streamlining the payment process for everyone involved. Managing your PayPal Me link is simple and flexible. You can always revisit the PayPal Me section within your account to view your current link, update your profile picture, or change other associated settings. If your needs change, you have the option to deactivate your link temporarily or delete it permanently. Remember, a well-managed link ensures smooth transactions. Always keep your account security in mind and only share your link with trusted individuals or for legitimate transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.